it's time for, boom, Nadine West. I own this bag. I don't know what's in it, and I own it. I was so busy with our music video getting ready for that this just sat in a room. And yes, this has a tag on it. I am filming 5 videos today and wanted to look different in them, and so I've been putting on the various different jackets that I have in the boxes. This is from a Trend Sense, so go check that video out. Anyways, it has a tag on it because I have no idea whether I'm keeping it yet or not, but I am going to use it for the start of this video, so I've got a little bit of variety. So anyways, yeah, so I own this bag because it just sat there for a couple weeks and I just didn't have time to get to it, and I could have emailed, but I didn't. So here I am owning this bag. And that's unfortunate, but it is what it is, and I actually have another Nadine West on the way, so that's good news if you guys are fans of the Nadine West unboxing videos. To me, the service is very hit and miss. Sometimes, you know, there's several pieces I like. Sometimes I just like the jewelry. Honestly, I usually at least get one piece from here that I like, and since it is such an affordable styling service, then you know, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I mean, it helps that they give me 50% off for being a VIP. So it's really, really affordable for me. And so it's like, I'm gonna keep getting these, and you guys can let me know if you don't wanna watch these unboxings, but I still think they're fun. Let's start with the first bundle here. I see some green and black. They haven't transitioned to spring. Oh, there's lots of jewelry. There's a ton of jewelry. They haven't really transitioned into spring yet, I see. So, okay, so first up, oh, I like this though. We've got a green tunic type shirt, 3/4 sleeves, but what I liked about it was this kind of button detail here. I think that's super cute. Tunic length, and since I am spending gobs of time at home in pajamas, I am wearing more leggings, so Zanana Premium. That's really cute. I'm happy with that. Next. Ooh, what are you? Okay, this is a dress pant. It's got this interesting, almost like sailory look to it, and little tabs here. I don't know what that is. It's by C Mode, and it's a dress pant, but it looks, hopefully it doesn't fit like a tight legging. It looks like hopefully there'll be leg room for it to look like a normal dress pant and not a legging dress pant, but we'll see. And does have pockets on the back and the front. Okay, so I'm actually really hopeful. I think this is super cute. Super, super cute. All right, Nadine West, nice job. Okay, next we have a lighter, okay, we got 2 of these. They doubled down on it. We got 2 of these. One's a navy and one's kind of a pale greenish color. You can see the little pocket detail on these a little bit better. Again, C Mode, I'm assuming. Okay, and then, oh, these are another pant. Man, they're going deep into the work pants. These are show, and they're olive and, you know, kind of a normal skinny dress pant. And I really like these too. Pockets front and back. Okay, I'm really happy with the dress pants they sent me. I don't need them right now, but that's cool. I don't care. All right, let's go ahead and go through jewelry real quick since I've got a multitude of it here. First off, we have, what on earth are you? This appears to be a necklace. Oh, I like this. This is staying. So just kind of a long pendant necklace, and it has these cool kind of shapes here. And I'm always looking for more long type necklaces like this. So I think that's going to stay. Really like that. Okay, Nadine, oh yeah, I own this. All right, well, for a bag that I accidentally own, so far I'm pretty darn happy. Okay, then we have, these are by Marin Elena. I'm not gonna pull these out yet, but these kind of hoop earrings with little moon symbols on them. Okay, I like them. I'm not mad about owning those either. Again, we've got a pair Morena Elena, and these are almost like a horseshoe type hoop earring. Very cute. I'm happy to have those. And then we have another necklace. once. I don't know. They've never really sent me this much jewelry at once, and I'm not mad at that. Okay. Yeah. And this is just another long necklace that I'm sure I will happily wear. Okay, I'm really happy with the jewelry. Honestly, there's nothing here so far that I don't like, which is a Nadine West rarity. So, not too shabby for a bag I'm forced to keep. Okay, next bundle. All right, we got 4 more items to go. And I'll say this entire bag, again, I get 50% off, but this entire bag was 150 bucks. So, you know, I'm getting a lot for that. All right, so this is a legging, Zanana Signature, and it's got this crochet on the ankle. And I think that's really pretty. Kind of wish it was like a different color than the off-white, but it's a normal, simple black legging, and that's kind of the uniqueness of it. But man, if that was like a color or something, I feel like that'd be really cool, but that's okay. It'll go with everything. So then we have what feels like a flannel something. A flannel black, white, gray shirt. This is by Active USA. And they've got it rolled up, but I'm assuming it does go to long sleeve. And I don't actually have any like black and white flannels, so I'm happy to have that. Okay, next we've got this shade of purple that I don't know what it's called. We're just gonna call it good old-fashioned purple. And this is by Zanana Outfitters. And it's, again, like a tunic length. They know, apparently, that I'm gonna be at home in my pajamas a lot, even though I've had this for weeks. And, you know, things have changed in the world quite a bit since I got this bag. But tunic length, so, again, that's fine. Okay, all right, I like it. Last piece, we have this kind of tribal pattern, and what are you? It is, sorry, I'm untangling here, by Popular 21, and it's, you know, a blue and white shirt. And I guess the main selling point of it is it's got some cool back crisscrossing, if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. So, okay. That's cute. So I really like a majority of this. This is one of my better bags, at least I think. I haven't tried it on yet, but so far I'm liking it. So let's go ahead and try stuff on. Okay, first outfit. I'm gonna need some opinions, guys. Now, again, I'm keeping this whole bag, so the opinions is more like, what do I donate? What do you guys think of things? Okay, so the top I actually really like. I think it's cute. It fits pretty well. It's a nice pattern, but it's got some flowiness to it. And I actually like the back detail. Hopefully you guys can see that because I can't see if I'm positioned well. Okay. Usually I keep my back covered up, but it's almost like those straps are so thick that you can't really see my back so much. Okay. And by the way, while I'm up here, I've got this necklace on. So really cute, really happy to keep that. It's actually rose gold. I didn't notice that before. And then I've got the hoop moon earrings on that are super cute. So I like those. Now, what I need your guys' opinion on are these pants. I have mixed feelings. So they're super high-waisted. My belly button's here and it continues to go up. They're really, really comfortable. They have a legging feel to it. I mean, they're definitely leggings, but I almost feel like they have enough looseness. I looked at the size of them and it's like small/medium. So on me, they actually have enough looseness to them that they could potentially pass for regular dress pants. Now the only thing that's like, I don't know, is like you can see the pocket line here. You probably can't see that, but there's like a pocket line there because, you know, you don't generally have pockets in leggings. Here it is from the rear, and I did a little like shake test in front of the mirror. Not gonna do that on camera, but because they're leggings and there's not a lot of compression to them. Well, I couldn't see any cottage cheese, so that's good. But there was a lot of jiggle to it. So, I don't know. But potentially could keep, you know, have a cute shirt tucked into it, wear a cardigan over it. So, I mean, again, I have to keep, but would like to get your guys' opinion on these. So, all right, let's go to the next outfit. Okay, so anybody see anything wrong here? Anybody? Oh yeah. This right here, it's the seam completely coming apart. So that's actually the second thing in this bag to break. A pair of earrings, I went to take it off of the sheet. I was not going hard or anything like that, and it totally busted. So yeah, these are, I love these. Again, these are very much like a pair of Stitch Fix pants that I have. They feel great. I love them, but this is obviously an issue, and I could tell that it's almost like this seam came apart and then somebody tried to, you know, sew it back up. I don't know. So that's unfortunate. So I will ask for a replacement, but then it's like, if these are horrible quality, are they just going to fall apart again? So that's disappointing because I absolutely love these. Here's my 360. That's so disappointing. Now the tunic top. You got the button detail on the sides, which is super cute. Again, not a huge tunic person, but as I spend more and more time at home during quarantine time, and presumably that will last for a while, I'm guessing, I will, you know, be wearing more leggings and stuff, so this will be great for it. Okay, next outfit. Well, I thought I filmed 2 outfits and I did not, so I'm gonna blow through these really quickly. So first off, this blouse, it is quite a bit longer than what I would wear. Just don't really like blouses that are tunic tops. To me, tunic tops are more like lounge at home type tops. But this is a nice top. It's kind of have a tab sleeve look to it, though it's not an actual tab sleeve. The zipper, you can literally zip it up as high or low that you want it. Ooh, that's a little bit too low. There you go. And then I think I could, you know, potentially tuck this into some things, although it's, you know, a decently thick top. So I don't know. I think I could find a way to make it work. The leggings are a little bit long. I kind of have it scrunched up in a couple of areas, and so they are a little bit long, but the crochet detail is cute. So, you know, it'll get some lounge around the home use, and that's fun. Okay, I gotta go put another outfit back on because I missed filming it. I forgot to press the record button. Okay, these would clearly not go together, but for the sake of expediency, here we go. So these pants are very similar to the navy ones I had in the first outfit, almost exactly the same. The waist actually seems to be a bit looser, even though they're both kind of the small / medium. And then the back pockets, on the other ones has actual back pockets. These just has kind of like the faux slit on it. Also, because these are lighter color, they might show a little bit of cottage cheese more in it. So I don't know. I don't know what to feel about these. Would love some opinions. The flannel actually feels like a really good normal flannel, good quality type shirt. And I think it's really cute. And I don't have anything this color, so I like it. I like it a lot. So, all right, now let's go over prices and not decide what to keep because I'm already keeping it all. Okay, so I will kind of put everything in order just because I want to blow through this quickly. So, and again, I will give you guys the prices. Note that I'm giving you guys the full price, not the 50% off that I get. This is the Lily top. It is $29.49. I feel like that's a bit expensive for that, but that's okay. Like that, I thought that was cute, so I think I will get you to use this. Then we have the Dana. This was the tunic top with the buttons. I thought the button details was cute. This is actually $35.99. Again, I think that's a bit overpriced because it seems more like a casual stay-at-home type thing. Then we have the Prima Donna. This is $31.99, and I like it, but I don't like that it's a tunic. So, but I think I can make it work by tucking it into some stuff. Then we have the Dana top, and this is $19.49, and I really like this. So I think out of the tops, this was probably my favorite, and then the blue and white one was my second favorite. Then we're on to the leggings. This is the Carrie leggings, $27.49. I would not buy these if I didn't already have to buy these. Then we have the Ruby Skinny, and these are $25.99, which I think is a good price for them if they weren't falling apart. So these were actually my favorite clothing item in the bag if it wasn't for the seam. So hopefully I will be able to get this exchanged, fingers crossed, because I really liked these. I really did. All right, then we have the Alley Skinny pant. These were the navy ones. I liked these better than the mint ones. I guess these are not seafoam, they're mint. I like the navy ones actually a little bit better. I think the darker was a little bit more flattering and had back pockets. And so the navy was $29.49 and the mint is actually $21.49. So there's actually a decent price difference in those. I'd love to get your guys' opinion on what you thought of those, because I'm really kind of on the fence about whether I'd wear them or not. Then we're on to the jewelry. I don't know which one is which. One's called the Cyan and one's called the Brandy. They're both $16.99. And the one, did it both bust? No, just the one. And I'm disappointed. I really like these horseshoe ones, but this totally, the little clasp thing, totally just busted up. So that's unfortunate. That will be part of my email to them. Then I've got on these earrings that have the moons on them, and I think they're super cute. So I really like these. Happy with that. And I rather liked the necklaces, both of them. So I didn't show you guys this one yet, but there you go. I think that's cute. This is called the Terra necklace, and it's $24.99. And then this is called the Trina necklace, and it is $17.99. So I'm very happy with jewelry other than the earrings busting, and a couple of the clothing items. So hopefully I'll get replacements for the stuff that busted. I viewed it as a very successful bag, so I very much enjoyed this. I forgot to mention what the service is real quick. Obviously the styling service, they only have a shipping fee of $9.78. And that's kind of their styling fee, but it's a shipping fee, and it does get applied to anything you purchase. You can sign up for every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks. I'm at the every 4 weeks, and they market themselves as like the most affordable styling service, although I still think some of their stuff can be overpriced, even though it is in the lower price range. You're not going to get something in here that's $60, $80. They also have the longest time period being a week, and yet somehow I still somehow max out that time. I'm not quite sure how that happens, but I do. And I think that's pretty much it. That's the service. If you are interested in trying it, I do have a referral link below that will get you, I believe, free shipping and then $10 off of your first bag. So you get to try it risk-free, which is how I actually got started with it. It was like, ooh, I might as well try it risk-free. And here we are like 2 years later and I'm still getting them. So it is what it is. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe below. You guys are the best, and I can't wait to read your comments. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.